Welcome back to AUTOWONDR. The 2026 Hyundai Venue arrives as a bold step in compact SUV evolution, packing in design upgrades, more tech, and higher comfort, all while preserving the Venue's urban agility and value-driven spirit. It's Hyundai's way of proving that even the smallest crossovers can feel premium without losing practicality. From the outside, the new Venue turns heads with sharper, more purposeful styling. A split LED headlamp setup combines slim DRLs up high with the main lighting down low in the bumper. The grille is wider and more assertive, with pill-shaped elements giving it a textured, modern look. Strong wheel arches, thicker cladding, and a rugged skid plate under the front bumper hint at outdoor readiness. At the rear, you'll spot connected LED taillights wrapped in a clean, squarer design and a revised bumper with increased visual depth. Alloy wheels, 16 or 17-inch depending on trim, come in fresh designs, and roof rails plus a flatter roofline give the silhouette more SUV character than ever. Inside, the 2026 Venue steps up in refinement and tech. The cabin features dual 10.2-inch curved displays, one for the driver's cluster and one center infotainment, giving a modern cockpit-like feel. Materials are upgraded, with more soft-touch surfaces, ambient lighting, and better upholstery in higher trims. Comfort features include ventilated front seats, dual-zone climate control, rear AC vents, and more cabin lighting ambience. The layout also becomes more user-friendly, with repositioned vents, improved storage, and a more connected-feeling interface for modern users. Under the hood, Venue remains grounded but effective. Powertrain choices include a 1.0-liter turbo petrol option with a 7-speed DCT for smooth shifts, a 1.2-liter naturally aspirated petrol engine, and a 1.5-liter diesel in applicable markets. Transmission options vary from manual to DCT/auto, depending on engine and trim. While its engine lineup is familiar, tuning and refinement are expected to improve responsiveness, efficiency, and ride comfort. Safety and driver assistance see significant gains. Level 2 ADAS is now expected, featuring lane keeping assist, forward collision detection, including pedestrian and cyclist detection, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system. Features like front parking sensors and more airbags aim to make safety more comprehensive, even at lower trims. The 2026 Hyundai Venue is positioned for launch in late 2025, October NOV, in many markets, with pricing set to remain competitive. With more style, more tech, and more comfort, it delivers a compact SUV experience that punches well above its size.